Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you are in the market for an affiliate program that's really going to yield some revenue, then you've probably come across GoHighLevel. Now, GoHighLevel is a cut above, but there's a lot of speculation around how real or how fake it actually is. Today, I'm going to break it down for you and show you exactly why it's actually very lucrative. So let's dive in. Oh, talking about affiliate programs, if you'd like to go and use my link to get started, you can find it in the description down below. Okay, so the first thing that I'd like to address is that many people question if it's a pyramid scheme or if the commissions are just too good to be true. And that's obviously a question that you would ask yourself when jumping into pretty much any affiliate program or any program that you can generate revenue. Other worries about the upfront costs or some of the platform's complexity are also things that people are concerned about. And these are, as I mentioned, understandable concerns given the number of low quality offers in the affiliate space. Okay, and despite these hesitations, the truth is that GoHighLevel is a very well established SaaS platform, and it's designed specifically for agencies and marketers, offering strong value that makes it their affiliate program really worth considering. Let's get into a little bit more detail. So, why is the GoHighLevel affiliate program real and valuable? So, first of all, for the product itself, GoHighLevel provides a very comprehensive CRM, email and SMS marketing, sales funnel and automation tool all in one space. So if you've ever looked at GoHighLevel to be used as a product and not just their affiliate program, you'll find that it really is an all-in-one tool, and it is a fantastic tool at that. This all-in-one approach really solves real business problems, and it really does make the product a lot easier to sell because it kind of sells itself once you start actually showing how the product actually works. Now, one of the other things is their recurring commissions. Affiliates, whoever wants to join the program, earn ongoing revenue as their referrals maintain subscriptions. So it's not just a once-off payment, which again almost seems too good to be true. And the recurring model provides long-term income potential, which is quite attractive compared to other affiliate programs that literally just offer single payoffs. So once somebody has signed up with your unique affiliate link, you get a once-off payment, and that is it. But basically what you're doing with GoHighLevel's affiliate program is you're banking a client or a customer or a subscription for life, or as long as that person will continue to use that subscription or that service. And they can also upgrade, and you also get a kickback. You get paid commission for that upgrade as well. Just a quick interruption before we carry on with the rest of the video. What is your biggest pain point when dealing with affiliate programs? Let us know in the comments section down below, and let's start a conversation. Also, GoHighLevel supports its affiliates with marketing materials, live training, and a very user-friendly dashboard. And it really makes the promotion process a whole lot smoother, a whole lot better, because you've got all of the support. It doesn't feel like everyone is kind of just doing their own thing, but we're kind of working from a central hub. Plus, there is a very large and active community around it that offers valuable peer support for learning effective selling strategies. And again, I want to just mention that this is not something that you can just jump into and start selling. You can't just run ads and say like, oh, GoHighLevel is awesome, use my link in the description. Do you know what? There are so many affiliate programs out there, and there's so many affiliates in GoHighLevel's affiliate program. When you are offering, and I've seen this a lot, when you're offering the affiliate program, there are so many people that offer extra value. If you jump into GoHighLevel, there's so many extra value points that you can add as an affiliate, which is beyond just what GoHighLevel is offering. And this is great because it allows you to really offer a unique product and get paid for it and not have to actually build the software yourself. So in conclusion, it might appear very complicated or too good to be true at first glance, but their affiliate program is very real, and it's backed by a substantial product with proven market demand. With dedication and the right approach, it can be a very lucrative affiliate opportunity. The last thing that I want to just share with you is some keys to success. And I mentioned earlier on the extra value. So you really need to learn the product properly. You need to understand how it works all the way inside, outside, to promote it effectively, because somebody is going to ask you a question. And if you do not know the answer to that question, you will not get a sign up. I guarantee you that. Also, connect with other affiliates and learn from their experiences and strategies. How are they selling the product? How are they using the product? And then leverage the marketing materials to craft your promotional content. These marketing materials, the resources, are provided by GoHighLevel. And the last thing, remember that persistence and authenticity in promoting often yields better results than just being a run-of-the-mill. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. GoHighLevel's affiliate program has been digressed. We now know that it is real, it's lucrative, but it will require some input. You need to understand what the software is, how it works, and what value you can add to people clicking on your link. Now, talking about clicking on a link, you can go ahead and click on the link down below in the description to get started with GoHighLevel. I will see you over there.